That makes no sense.
It's 3 hours from Mexico.
I don't know. It doesn't like, to tell you the truth. When I lived in California, when you go to Monterey, oh my God, that Mexican food.
But again, you're a couple of hours from Mexico. Of course it is.
Hands down.
You know.
And of course, when I went to Mexico, that Mexican food.
That's what you get. You want barbecue, good barbecue, you go to Texas.
I actually like more, I like South Carolina barbecue.
See, I don't like barbecue sauce.
You like more like...
Right.
You need, if you make, basically in my house, if you ask for steak sauce, we're kicking you out because you just insulted us. You said, oh, your steak is so bad, I gotta put some on it. That's the same with barbecue.
See, but to me, barbecue is not, like, to me, barbecue is actually pork and chicken. Like, steaks.
Well, if you're gonna barbecue, you do brisket. You don't do steak. You do
exactly.
brisket.
Now, if you're eating steaks, the best steak, like if you're actually cooking steaks, like a steakhouse type stuff.
Yeah.
I can say the Big Texan, amazing. There's a place. Have you ever gone to, like in Orlando? There's this place called Charlie's.
I know what you're talking about.
That place steaks amazing because they cook it in an oven that's 600 degrees, and they only cook it for, they only cook it for 5
My
minutes.
family's in Texas, so you want good food.
I've gone to Texas.
Yeah, then we're gonna get good food. Same with Mexican food.
Yeah.
You know, you're right.
Yeah, no, I got you.
You know, but honestly, the best was in southern Oklahoma. Oh my God, it was like it was $6 for the dinner special.
Oh yeah,
Rice and beans, chili relleno, 4 tacos, a burrito, 2 enchiladas.
for $6?
For $6.
That's amazing.
It was ridiculous.
I would so pick out. I'll see you in a little bit.
You got a kid when he was a
Coming around. I'm sure these guys are hours. Oh yeah, no, we're still kicking. We're ready to kick them out.
Have a good one.
Later.
Juancho, would you want this? Would you want this? These are dragons. It's a girl and a little dragon. Alright, give me the little dragon.
Oh, look at the camera, they can't help you.
Oh my God.
So bad. Wait, need this close up. Close up. Fuck you.
Oof! Oof!
Hey, Juan.
Yo, how do you feel about that 5,000 to the face? Go ahead.
Juan, nigga, you deaf? Be dramatic, dog. You gotta take 5,000 in the face. Dale, the camera's looking. Be dramatic. Hey, it's not gonna stop looking at you.
I just took 5,000. Not fun. Oh, take that oof to the face. Every store?
Seriously, bro.
I also got a carrier start. During for every move. I feel 5-0. You should play Aerostar carrier. Music durations. I think like 20 maybe? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
On me?
Yes, I start with the creature.
Oh, you take 32.
Bro.
Not the time for fear, though. That comes later.
Whenever Leslie's here,
They expect one of us in the wreckage, brother. You have to stay. You just need to go back in the plane. Nigga just let go the fucking the hostess and everybody died. I never seen one person kill so many people in one instance, dog. That doesn't have superpowers.
so you think darkness
Look. Here's who's built, bro. Who's built?
I was born in the darkness, molded by it. Oh, wow.
Yo, Leslie was the one who started this.
Bane is. No, nigga, when I heard his voice, I was like, yo, what's up? What's his name? Spanish, right? Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's Spanish.
Bane's
Bane is British. I think he's British.
No, the brother of South America.
Oh, South America? Yeah, he's so when I heard his voice, I was like,
Isn't his brother?
It hurts so bad.
God, I wish I went first.
Yeah, he lost because of that, guys.
Bane was in another movie, wasn't
That thing right there.
The guy that played me.
I know how
El
you
Negro.
I know how you feel.
What'd you say?
I know how you feel.
Yo, he was on Diesel.
It hurts.
Cool, guys. See you at top 2 later.